If you're someone like me who has a lot of meetings throughout your days, you'll know how time consuming it is to capture what happened in those meetings, create key learnings, action points, and then putting all that somewhere that's relevant, like inside a Favro card. Well, let me show you what I built that's making my life so much easier. I built it using Favro and Claude Code so that you too can get action points right inside the card that are ready to get acted upon and a meeting summary that's clear straight after your meeting. Let's get into it. So now we're in Claude Code, but you can use any agent that you want for this. And I'll just go ahead and paste my prompt. So the most important part here to understand is that I've asked it to build a skill that turns my transcript from meetings into Favro cards or card updates using API plus scripts. I'm not a technical person, so you don't have to be either to understand what that is. It's just a way for Favro to interact with the agent, and we think that it's a better way than using MCPs. But we have a community-made MCP that you can use if you want to. And then I've told it the skill should break the transcript down into a summary, key learnings, and action points. Then it should prompt me to answer if I want to add it to an existing card, and then it will ask me for a card link, or if it should create a new card, and then it will ask me for a board link. And I've told it the skill should add the summary as a comment on the card and the action points as checklists in the card description. I told it I will give you an MD file with a transcript and let me know what additional information you need from me to build this, so it can ask me more questions if it needs to. So let's go ahead and build it. So the first time you build this, it will ask you for an API token, and you can find that under My Profile in your Favro account. And then it will ask you to store it somewhere, like in an end variable. And don't worry, you don't have to be technical. It will guide you through the process the first time you build this. Let's jump to when the skill is actually built. All right, so now we have the skill built, and I've put Claude and Favro side by side here so we can see what's going on in real time. So let's run the skill, meeting to Favro, by doing /, and then we need to upload a transcript, obviously. So I have this transcript blue, or blue startup from the meeting we had, and I'll upload that, and we go. Let me open up the card as well so we can see what's going on. So here's what it's extracted from the transcript. It has the summary, it has some key learnings, it has some action points. And then it asks me if it should create a new card, and then it will ask me for the board URL where it should be created, or if it should append it to an existing card. Now we already have a card. And of course, you can automate this entire process if you want. I've included this step for simplicity's sake. I'm going to copy the card URL, paste it. And there's so many workflows that you can build with skills plus Favro API. So it's really fun to just experiment. Let's allow it, writing the summary and action points. And there we go. We have the action points. We have the meeting summary as a comment. That's just one example of what you can build using agents with Favro. If you have workflows that use agents together with Favro, please reach out to us, and then we can share them with the community and maybe highlight what you've built. That's it for this time. I'll see you around.